Let's make this hourglass in Blender. And this is a museum of Mahmoud. Add your reference image, add cylinder, scale it, and move it like image. Go to Edit mode. Give it 5 loop cut. Enable proportional editing. Choose low vertex and scale it while you scrolling your mouse. And scale surface also. Back to object mode. Hold Shift and right-click to move cursor to the image, and from Object Set, Origin and set Origin to 3D cursor. Add Mirror Modifier Z-axis. Small scaling. Let's extrude it. Add Cube Scale and rotate it. Give it Bevel Modifier, Shift+D to copy. Get Cylinder, Scale and rotate it. Copy it. One more time now, you have your hour. Give it some glass and wood materials. It is a magic, isn't it? Subscribe now to watch more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy, it's a museum of Mahmoud.